different type of girl.
Yeah, you see that.
But just fucking let that straight. You know what you do?
You a goddess. Some woulda say you're the baddest. I woulda say you're the best. Yeah, real, some say it to my chest.
Yes, I'm a goddess. Better know you have to try your hardest. Want something real in a times like these. When things are done, pack up and leave.
Yeah, first class, top shelf. Good girl with your bad self. Been a pre style for a minute. Picture my life with you in it. Fact is, me love how you switch your roles like an actress. From stage to your youth, choir practice. Touch your road, sports mode, yeah, you're active. You're so attractive.
Yes, I mean that. God bless mama, never raise a idiot. Talk all you want, me not frightened for sweet chat. When me say I want my mean, enough of them a knock my door and me nah let them in. No time for waste, me I chase down my dream. Lock down the globe, rule the place like a queen. Don't pull up if you're not nothing to show. Telling me things I already know.
You a goddess. Some woulda say you're the baddest. I woulda say you're the best. Yeah, real, some say it to my chest.
Yes, I'm a goddess. Better know you have to try your hardest. Want something real in a times like these. When things are done, pack up and leave. Hard hit, my done feel. Eh, life rough like a corn meal. Eh, my like you but it's not a done deal. I have to take the time to make my wounds heal.
Girl, set it pace, no rush. When you violate, for me love you can't trust. I may just want see you win, want see you grin. Ready when you're ready, girl, go on, do you
when I try for act it, no more bad like hospice. Used to think my heart like up, it coming like the lockpick. Can you be my home? Am I safe with you? Only want a king when me can put up on a throne.
Beg you listen, me no darling. Ready for whatever, you're my all in. This a type of love I make you ball out. But you not feel no pain. Nice this I reach you again and again, oh yeah. You a goddess. Some woulda say you're the baddest. I woulda say you're the best. Yeah, real, some say it to my chest.
Yes, I'm a goddess. Go song for me, come and sharpish. You know. They are things that me tired of man. Till my buck up on the Rastafarian.
See you.
You know the thing of Protoje.
Be a thing of one more time.
Welcome to the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shally, and I'm locked into this weekend drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
You know, rebellion, you know. I mean, I say I want you have an epic, you know. Welcome to the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.